Welcome back, guys. As you can see, I've got the log up here to the sawmill. Now, because these timbers are going to be so valuable, I don't want to take any chances with the performance of my mill, so I'm going to swap out the blade that's on it for a brand new bimetal blade. It's overkill, but like I said, these are very valuable timbers, and I do not want to screw them up. All right, this thing is a monster. 34.5 by about 29 inches. And we've got about 24 at the other end. It's probably going to take a couple of passes to get this thing down to where I can work with it, but I need to end up with two 3-inch by 16-inch by 16 feet long beams, and I'm going to have a lot left over to make some, well, whatever I want. All right, I'm gonna roll this over 180 and start making some lumber. Now, in order to get my 6 by 16, I've got a flat spot cut that's about 8 inches across. Now I'll make another cut at just over 16 inches, make a flat cut there, and then I'll come down and make 6-inch cant, or actually a little over 6-inch wide cant, that'll end up being 6 1/4 by 16 inches. And then I can saw that cant in half, and I'll have the 2 pieces I need. And then the flitches I can saw down into 1-bys or 2-bys or whatever I need. Got a rock under this last bed rail. Something like that could screw up the measurements on a very expensive piece of wood. Well, I just called the client and let him know that his timbers were done, and he's got a whole bunch more stuff he needs. So I'm going to get cleaned up and work on a price for that, and head over to some friend's house for dinner tonight. But for today, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, guys.